Hey there, this is Wake Angel 2001 doing a follow-up to my hatred for DeviantArt's switch over to Eclipse, and hilariously enough, I'm pretty vindicated as it seems the site is a broken piece of trash, despite the fact that apparently it's been in development for 3 years. So here's a very interesting little glitch that's happened. Here I am on the shout board. This is my own channel page, so I can type in a comment. This is like your DeviantArt homepage where you can just like type things like blah blah blah. So check out what happens. This is what happens when I try to leave a shout on anyone's homepage. Okay, look, I'm just gonna hit a random key. Boom! Back all the way up to the top of the page. Check it out. I'll scroll back down. Okay, let's type some more letters. Boom! As soon as I type, and I can like type and type and type, and the box is still selected, and I'm typing in it. But as soon as I hit something, boom! To the top of the page. Like, holy crap! What even is this? How would you code the site to do this? Like, I didn't know a website could be that broken. Now, I can hit the backspace button and erase typos without it doing that, but the second I hit any other key other than backspace, like the first... Okay, apparently I can type one letter, but the second letter takes me to the top. Anything past that first letter will take me up to the top of the page. Like, wow. I'm absolutely flabbergasted. I do not understand how a site can be so poorly designed. It's quite shocking, in fact. So, yeah, that's out there. That's 3 years of development, huh? That's, you had to replace our beloved DeviantArt that's been with us for 20 years, and I've personally been a member of for 15 years. And you replace it with that. That's the best you could do. It's a real bang-up job there. And, oh, by the way, I know the reason. It isn't because they felt that they were chasing trends. It's that after 20 years, DeviantArt's site code was a mess of ad hoc patches, and it was very difficult to update and maintain because there was so much stuff that had been done, so they basically had to build the site from scratch again. I get that. I understand. What I don't understand is why they couldn't just, recreate the site as it was. Why do they have to do all this stuff? The cosmetic changes are bad enough. Like, the site looks worse now, but that's livable. A cosmetic change isn't a big deal. It's the functionality, and especially the bad glitches. That is way worse. Like, I can't believe they released it in this form. It's genuinely surprising. Like, at the very least, you expect the site to be functional. I mean, even if I don't like the options, wow, just wow. I'm wow. That's all I got to say. Wow.